I do my hair by myself. Great. My hand is paining me.
The way I was running, you would think someone is chasing me. The rain still... I need help.
Use razor, turn into tiny pieces, making Ghana braids. Turning the seeds from 1, 2 by 9:30.
This because it's big. For snacks for your kids. What's up, guys? Today is another brand new day in this vlog. Wait a minute, where's my mic? Please, I need to put this here today so that you guys can hear me very well. The kind of rain that beat me today, my goodness. I went for a walk and all of a sudden it just started raining, and the way I was running, like you would think someone is chasing me. Upon all my running, the rain still fell on my hair. So I had to wash this hair, and at least let me even know what I'm dealing with. I'm so lazy to drive 45 minutes from my house to the only African salon that is here, or that I know of, and I've got the number. My goodness, so it's looking like I'll be doing my hair by myself. I've got a couple of things that I need to do. I didn't go to work today. Instead of me to just relax and be taken care of, I'm here running from pillar to post. I'm going to African store because they have plantain. So plantain is not something that you easily get down here. Plantain is ahiwu. Ahiwu means something that comes out once in a while. So whenever they tell you, oh, there's plantain in stock, I am running as fast as my legs can carry me because I don't want to miss it. After that, I need to do my hair, do school pickup. I need help. These are the days when I miss Naija, right? You have lots of help and just relax and be taken care of. That's what I want. My God. Anyways, let's get to African store. I didn't know. Have I did.
Soft lights in the morning, a brand new day begins. You're beautiful, no matter what they say. Words can't bring you down. A little peace and coffee. The world is quiet again. I'm taking simple moments, turning them to gold. Sharing every heartbeat.
How many customers do I have a discount?
Wow.
Hello, my sister. How are you?
Hey.
Mommy and them. Where you go? Say.
So guys, I went out and I'm back. I forgot to film this from the beginning, but I can't believe the time that I'm using to do this hair. I came back and I was literally very tired, so I had to sleep. By the time I woke up, I just remembered that I've not made my hair. Hey, I've already started doing this hair, but I just remember that I said one day I was gonna film it. So ever since I came here, I've never been to the salon. I do my hair by myself. And it's pretty late. This is like 10 p.m. in the night. Now, yeah, you heard me. And yours truly is still here struggling with her hair. So this line, I'm sorry, you just have to manage with this thing that is blocking my camera. That's my mirror. So I need a front and a back mirror because I need to see the back of my hair. You see this place? You see this tiny mirror that is here? Don't worry, when I build my own house, I'm probably sure that my bathroom will have the door as the mirror, because I need mirror. Huh? I need a full mirror, but unfortunately, with all this rented apartment, she can't really do much. I will just move this a little bit. So, can you see? Yeah, I can see my hair, the back of my hair. That's how I do it. Because I need 2 mirrors, both front and back. But I will just try and show you guys as much as possible. Maybe I will even use my front camera to cut this hair. So you guys can see. I have to navigate this. So this is a very normal comb, and I had to like use the razor to make the tip to be very sharp. So this is my cutting comb. Once I get the front part properly, I look at it. Now this requires a lot of expertise, okay? Let me see if I can move this camera here. Yeah. So you apply hair cream. I'm making this video with my phone, so I don't know if the quality will be as my DJI, but hopefully you get to see it too. See? One part of the hair, so I can see the rest. My attachments, I've divided them into tiny pieces like you're making Ghana braids. Because that's the only way I will be able to do this. I like it this way because it feels like I'm making Ghana braids, but really, I'm just using Ghana braid style just to get the extension in there. Another method you can do this could be like this. Now, this preserves your... If you're a bit worried that your front hair is cutting, you don't necessarily have to start this with the extension or with the attachment. It's just manage. Great. My hand is spinning me. Oh, finally! So finally I am done with this hair. Oh my god. This, in fact, I'm even vlogging with my phone. This hair took me, I started by 9:30 and I'm just finishing by 11:30 p.m. not a.m. What rows did I do? 1, 2, wait, can't even see this properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 cornrows. So this is not for the faint-hearted. This hair took me a lot of time. That's how long it takes me to do my hair, you know. So, but I'm glad I was able to do it. I'm done. I'm finished.
Please give this video a thumbs up. With all the suffering that I just did on this video and on this my hair, please do not pass this video without giving it a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share, like, and so that I can be encouraged to be posting more of this content to you guys. So thank you for watching. I will see you in my next vlog, or I will see you in my next video vlog, whatever. Bye. Hello guys, welcome to another brand new day in this vlog. Today we are going to make the Nigerian puff puff. You know how it is when you're looking for snacks for your kids. So these are like one of the things that you can do for snacks. I like to make a very large quantity, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I usually use this because it's big. Anybody can do this. If you have the ingredients, you can make it at home. It's not such a big deal. Alright, so let me get the rest of the ingredients. I need this for my measurements. That's what I use. Or you can use anything though. So I have this little one remaining like this. I have this remaining, so I'm just gonna pour everything. Well, you can use a measuring cup. Because I've been doing this so many times, I already know the quantity that I need. There are different methods of doing this, okay? But for me, I choose the simplest method. Some people add ripe plantain to this. They kind of mash the plantain or blend it, so the plantain will act as a sweetener for the puff puff. So that's what the plantain does. Maybe one day I am gonna be trying this out. I actually bought this from Coles, so in case you wanna buy yeast, I bought this from Coles too. I will be using powdered milk, sugar, this is not something you snack all the time. So a little bit of nutmeg, I need my gloves. I come to worship. I come to worship. Kadosh, Kadosh. At your feet, Kadosh, Kadosh. Speak
Wake up, new
but the dream stays big. Every move just another win.
We're gonna leave this to rise. We're gonna leave this to rise. I believe that's what you call it, for like 1 hour. That's like the minimum. But I'm going to leave mine for 2 hours. And I'll be putting this in the microwave. I'm not turning on the microwave. I just want it to just stay there because I need the warmness. I'm going to cover this with a towel. Covered very well, and I'll be putting this into the microwave. So I've put that in the microwave. It's not on. If you don't know, let me tell you a little bit about the Nigeria puff puff. If you go to any events in Nigeria, right? One of the things that they place before the main meal is the Nigerian small chops. It comprises of the spring rolls, the samosa, I don't know if I'm getting it right, the puff, then the meat and other things that that they put in there depending on the client's preference. So for now, we're making the Nigerian puff puff. Yeah, so I give it to my kids for snacking at school, just in case I run out of options and I don't know what else to pack. I believe moms in this vlog can relate. Sometimes when you don't know what to pack anymore, your head is going pop, 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 pop. I just put it inside that place and off you go. School snacks are balao. So that is it. That's what we are doing today. After that, we'll be frying it and you'll see the outcome. Hi guys, good afternoon. Is it? Which one? The time is 4:04. I have to leave it for like 3 hours. Because when I finished, I had to take a shower after that. By the time you know it's school runs, going for school runs, I'm back, and it's time to fry it.
Wake up, new day. Let's go. Small steps, but the dream stays big. Every move just another win. Press record, let the story show.